Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset for your Creative Pebble Nova speakers. So here we do have the application itself, which is called Creative, and here in this application we have to tap Equalizer. Now to create our own preset, we can at first tap here and select the preset we want to modify. For example, I will set a flat, which is here. Now we can go back, and here, as you can see, when adding these dots, we can modify our equalizer preset. As you can see, the new one is created, which is called onboard, and as you can see, we can add multiple dots and modify our equalizer to our needs. To save, we have to tap this save button here and add name. Then we have to tap add, and if you go back, you can see that equalizer is now set to HHHH. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!